I think you have autopilot?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Even though, believe it or not, it actually wasn't on like that.
Hey Denise, ready to go sailing?
Yeah.
Now listen, you're gonna shut the motor off. This is gonna get really quiet.
Okay, Terry, let's crack out some jibs. Okay, now it's white, yellow. I'll get this, and then you get the furling line. Yeah, that's traveling. That's enough. Yeah, you're fine. White, yellow. Keep her going. You got a long way to go. Just say the blue mark. Coming up? Yeah, man, probably gets blue. Then I need a trap down.
How you doing, honey?
There we go.
Are you steering?
No, it's on autopilot.
I wouldn't sit there. You're gonna get
Sit over here.
duped. Yes.
Sit on the low side. Your foot right there. You get wet. Wave broke on the high side. You won't get wet down there, I promise.
Where's your life jackets?
Oh yeah, I meant to tell you guys. They're in the trunk of the car.
Oh, cool.
Like,
Denise, we jump here, we might make it to shore.
there we go. Okay. There we go.
Denise, no more vibration. Motor, you just shut it.
So life jackets are under these two seats. Everything on board floats. Seat cushions, the throw ring. That's it.
Why don't we just keep the mast pointing to the sky?
Keep the what?
Keep the mast pointing to the sky.
You got it.
How you doing over there? It's a little bit different than a power boat.
Sounds like I have to how much practice with this.
What you doing, man? What's our wind
Doing
speed?
good. We got 25 knots of breeze.
25 knot wind, Denise.
I'm calling for 14.
Yeah, that's what I saw, 14, 15.
Look at sail boat.
9.3 knots.
Got 10 knots? 9 knots?
No fuel.
12 mile an hour.
And realistically, we're like overpowered right now. We have too much sail out.
Yeah, we gotta get the jib in.
Where?
Okay, you guys, it's going to get really noisy for a minute.
Okay.
Because I'm going to put us up into the wind.
You're going to point to the wind to slow us down and bring a sail in.
Okay. You know what? Then let's bring some of the jib in, Terry. Oh, there you go. That works. I was going to say, let's... yeah. Nah, that's too loose. No, you know what? It really does.
This is major strong conditions.
This is really strong wind.
Yeah, you come out in an 8 knot wind, you can do it in your sleep.
All right, Terry, go ahead. No, you don't have to open it. It's through. The yellow, white. No, you were right. But roll the jib in a bit. Yeah, a bit.
Oh, I'm filming stuff, I forgot.
There you go, high speed. That's good.
You want to in?
Yeah. That's one of the most. Nope, white Unloading completely. Nice, good. And then the main seat's done running. Good. I don't know about this sailing. This is too much.
Not doing it.
No, if we just sail and bring them, we'll be all set. You got there from the North Channel?
Oh, we got the right tail.
I'm going to turn this into the wind just a bit. Okay, just a hair. Just so that we don't end up right on the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely bring her in, Terry. We need more power.
How you doing, honey? I don't hear you speechless too often.
I'm good. I just like.
There's a nice one.
I'm good.
Hey, Denise, here goes a good 8 right here.
Well, I'm checking out these waves.
Yeah, we just went over like a good strong 6, maybe an 8.
Now, if you were in a motorboat right now,
Yeah.
really, really uncomfortable. The thing is that then you're not holding yourself up. Okay.
I'm a little paranoid.
You should come and get some water up there.
This is gonna be a great video when you guys get this one. I'm tired for business too.
Oh, yeah.
I'll put this together and make some cool stuff out
I'm
of
a little paranoid.
Isn't that comfortable?
Yes,
it. Look at him.
I'm really getting the angle here.
But isn't it comfortable? It's a good seat.
This is crazy, Dan, for those that care.
This is so crazy.
What's it take to have this thing approach over? How much?
A lot. I don't think it's possible in Nigeria.
You think?
You can knock, they're weebles. You can knock them down, but they come right back up.
Yeah.
The boat really needed this. It needed a really good wash. You know? Because
It's getting washed.
it needed a dirt rinse off.
I gotta get a level viewpoint.
Right off. It's from the dust.
The camera right now is level. That's how much. What's this, about a 22-degree pitch?
28.
28. Oh, that's a good pitch for this
Here,
size boat.
Let me get a picture of you.
Freaking out?
Yeah. Boat, stick goes up and it never comes down with the entire life. And I figured you're gonna run more risk of scratching up the deck.
In and out, in and out, in and out. Denise, say something.
She doesn't want to be in our video.
Are you breathing yet?
I am.
Okay.
I'm feeling much better now.
You want to go down below and make drinks? Go down there, you'll be thrown up in 10 minutes.
I'll go make a drink.
Wait, we don't need a drink.
No,
Okay, so this is a picture of our cameraman right here. I just want everybody to know she just put her clothes back on.
She's freaking out.
Way more wild than she looks.
She's German, you gotta be careful.
wild. Yeah, I don't think walking around down there.
No, I don't want you to go down. I was just joking, actually.
I know.
We don't need a drink, Dan.
No, I'm kidding.
I think that would take a little bit of practice.
What are we laying over right now? 18? 15?
This is really where you're trying to keep it, 15 degrees.
I'm good. I wanted to see what it feels like standing up.
Put your foot all
And
the way.
oh, look at her sit down.
There, no, you can stand, but put your one foot in the corner.
You gotta have an anchor
See how
point.
it's angled?
Yeah.
That'll help you stand.
Okay. I think I'll stand a little later.
You think you stood this good? Thanks, buddy. You think you stood it up?
Nah, good.
I'm good, thank you.
Oh, you're funny, Denise. Well, I'm really glad it's windy.
Flip a tack then? Flip a tack?
Sure. Just light a cigar, but sure.
You smoke on your boat? I brought a whole bunch of them. I wasn't sure you smoked on your boat, so I left them in my truck.
All right, you need to round up.
Here, now. Yeah, that's what I'm wondering.
We're coming off the wind. I'm sorry,
Right.
off.
Right. Beautiful.
I did, Denise.
Yeah, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you how the autopilot. Get off. Okay. Autopilot steering. That's good. Out July 2nd, and we were with a couple who had never sailed before. And I wanted to take them out of sight of land. A cold front blew in, 60-mile-an-hour winds. All right, Terry. Tony, pull that line.
Quiet?
I can't help it, I'm being quiet. Let my dog right now. We're not used to it.
Check that log out. Turn. I don't think so. Yeah, especially the log rig. It looks really unforgiving. It is.
That's not good. That's tight.
Did you see that log? I mean, that
That's a biggie.
gave me 50% of my channel.
That's way bigger than 12 inches, too.